Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize LinkedIn for side hustle opportunities step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. Ensure your profile photo is professional and recently updated. Craft a compelling headline that showcases your side hustle and main skills. Write a summary that highlights your experience, objectives, and passion for your side hustle. Ensure your work experience section reflects relevant jobs, emphasizing skills applicable to your side hustle. Add any freelance or side hustle experiences in the experience section, even if they were short-term. List relevant skills related to your side hustle in the skills section. Reach out to your connections for endorsements on those skills for added credibility. Consider updating your location to a larger city if it better reflects your opportunities. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry or side hustle for networking and learning. Share insightful content related to your side hustle to demonstrate expertise. Engage with posts from others in your industry to build relationships and visibility. Follow influencers and companies in your niche to stay informed on trends. Use the LinkedIn search function to discover potential clients or collaborators. Send personalized connection requests to professionals who align with your side hustle goals. Utilize recommendations to endorse your work and provide social proof. Customize your LinkedIn URL for a professional touch. Regularly update your profile as your side hustle evolves or as you gain new skills. Monitor analytics on your profile views to gauge interest and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay active on the platform to remain visible to potential opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.